Hi, I'm Robert Raver, Principal Solutions Architect with Media Entertainment at AWS. I'm going to walk you through our demo today, multimodal media discovery and metadata management. Media companies today are sitting on massive media archives, thousands of hours of video, millions of images, and other media content spread across S3 buckets and on-prem storage. And the biggest challenge isn't storing it, it's finding anything. Traditional approaches give you file names, maybe some manual tags, but what if you could actually search for what's happening inside your video? A specific action, a scene, a visual concept across your entire library. That's what Guidance for a Media Lake on AWS does. Let me show you how. Let's start with how content gets into the system. Here in the connectors view, you can see we've connected multiple storage sources. In this case, we have S3 buckets representing different parts of the organization. Maybe one is your production archive, another is dailies from a current show, a third is content from an acquisition partner. Each connector syncs assets into a single unified catalog. You configure them here, set the source, define sync behavior, define prefixes, and Media Lake handles the rest. The key idea is that your content stays where it is. We're not copying terabytes of video around. We're building an intelligent index on top of your existing storage. Over in settings, this is where you configure the foundation of your media lake. First, your search providers. You can see we have 12 Labs and Amazon Nova multimodal embeddings for semantic search and Media Cloud with Cohere embeddings for semantic search over enriched metadata. You choose the embedding provider that fits your workflow. The system is designed to give you that flexibility rather than locking you into a single approach. This is also where you manage your API keys for those providers and define custom metadata fields. Every organization has its own taxonomy, show codes, rights windows, distribution tiers, and you can configure those fields here so they surface throughout the platform in search results and are filterable. Now pipelines. This is where the real intelligence gets built. A pipeline defines the workflow for your assets, what models run, what embeddings get generated, what metadata gets extracted. Here you can see our different active pipelines. They're orchestrating multi-step workflows, pulling technical metadata from videos, running video through 12 Labs for semantic understanding, then generating vector embeddings that power the semantic search we'll see in a moment. Let me click into one. You can see the pipeline is built as a series of nodes. Each node is a discrete processing step, and you chain them together visually to design your workflow. It's drag and drop, so you can add, reorder, or swap out steps without writing any code. You can design different pipelines for different content types. Maybe your news archive gets a fast, lightweight pass, while your premium library gets the full multimodal treatment. And you can monitor processing in real time. See how many assets are queued, how many have completed, and catch any failures as they happen. For this demo, we've already processed a library of content, so let's go and see. This is where it all comes together, the search experience. Let me type something you can never do with traditional metadata. A white goat standing on a platform. Look at that. We're getting back precise results ranked by relevance pulled from all across our connected sources. These aren't keyword matches. The AI actually watched this content and understood what's in it. Let me try another one. A truck driver with his hands on the wheel. Again, rich relevant results. And notice the preview thumbnails are pulling the exact moment that match. I can also combine semantic search with traditional filters. Narrow by date range, source connector, resolution, duration. So you get the power of natural language with the precision of structured metadata. This is the transformation, going from, I know we shot that somewhere, to finding exact clips in seconds across your entire archive. That's multimodal media discovery and metadata management, connectors that unify your storage, pipelines that enrich your content with AI-driven understanding from Amazon Nova and partners like 12 Labs, and semantic search that lets your team find the exact moment they need in seconds. Everything you've seen is open source and available using Guidance for a Media Lake on AWS Solution Guidance today.